Which one is the best, VT Markets or InvidiaTrade? Let's dive into the comparison. Everything shared in this video is for educational purposes only. Immediately when I jumped into VT Markets website, I got the notification that they don't offer services to people from Cyprus and that they are not regulated from CySEC. So of course, immediately that's a huge no for me compared to Nvidia, without even doing any more research. But for the purpose of this video, I wanted to create an in-depth comparison so you can also take a decision if one of the two brokers meets your needs. First of all, when I come on VT Markets, I want to check the spreads. And by jumping into their website, I can actually see the spreads after doing a bit of a research. It wasn't clear on the page. And looking for the spreads, actually they look pretty high. Nvidia, on the other hand, they offer STP, so they have the lowest spreads available. Also with the STP execution, you are not having requotes and price improvements, which is very important when trading. VT Markets have regulations from FSP, they are authorized by FSCA and in Mauritius. On the other hand, Nvidia is authorized and licensed in St. Lucia. If you're struggling to grow your social media, there is one amazing platform out there that I've used and I know pretty much every single YouTuber has used. And that is the sponsor of today's video, smmgo.io. If you go to their website, you can see whatever social media you have and you want to grow, and they can help you in every single step of the way. You get real services with real speed and automated and transparent customer service. Guys, if you're looking to boost your social media and you just don't have the time, or you don't know just how to do it, then go on smmgo.io or the link in the description. And for now, let's get back to the video. Now, the next thing I always check is their trading account types. They offer different trading account types. They have a raw ECN swap-free send account and a demo account. Of course, if I click on the ECN one, you can see that it's an account with deep liquidity and ultra low spreads. So that's a big benefit from VT Markets, and their leverage is up to 1 to 500. Now going to Nvidia, they actually offer the same standards. Leverage up to 1 to 500, STP execution, but no ECN as it looks like. The next thing I always look for is how easy it is to deposit and withdraw. In VT Markets, I actually cannot identify it straightforward if it's easy to deposit or not, compared to Nvidia, which is straightforward and easy to find it. And they offer so many options, from debit cards, credit cards, and different cryptocurrency options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, USDT, and bank wire. So coming to a conclusion, both brokers are good, but for my personal needs, of course, VT Markets is a no. Number one, they don't allow clients for Cyprus. But even if that wasn't the reason, the fact that VT Markets was so difficult to find how I can deposit, withdraw, made me skeptical compared to Nvidia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.